Hello, in front of me I've got Toyota Auris. In this video I'll show you how to navigate through instrument cluster, display. In the beginning, take a look at the steering wheel. Right here on the right side, we've got the panel thanks to which we can navigate through through instrument cluster. Use arrows right and left to switch instrument cluster menu. Use top and bottom to navigate through current menu. Use trip button to switch between trip A, trip B and odometer. Now let's take a look at the instrument cluster and what we can find here. Firstly, we can find trip info, media panel, assistant menu, messages and settings. If you press trip, you will switch between trip B, Odo and trip A. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.